Yeah, this is a linear equation. So in order to put it in linear form, we have to multiply everything by 7. So to get rid of the 7 over there. If I multiply this by 7, I'll get rid of the 7 in front of this thing. And then I have 7 over x, y, equal to 7e to the 2x, x to the minus 6, right? So remember this coefficient is the p of x term, which is 7 over x, right? So in order to find our integrating factor, let's call it integrating factor h, let's call it I, integrating factor, which is e to the p of x dx. You integrate it, right? That's our integrating factor, call it I. So what we have is e to the 7 over x dx, right? So integrating factor will be e to the 7 natural log of x. So we can move the 7 here, it will be equal to e to the natural log of x, right? As you can see here, so if the integrating factor will be x to the 7. So next step, we're going to multiply everything by the integrating factor. So x to the 7, y plus x to the 6, right, equal to 7x e to the 2x. I have x e to the 2x because x to the 7 times x to the minus 6 will be x. So as you can see, we're gonna integrate both sides. But from here, this is basically the chain rule. That's why we're gonna have x to the 7 y for this side. Because if you do the chain rule for this one, you're gonna have like the first times the derivative of the second plus the derivative of the second times I have 7 here. Times the derivative plus the second, the derivative of the second plus time the first, right? That's what basically we have here. And we're gonna take we're gonna integrate that side plus c. Put my dx here. Right? Basically what we're gonna use for this thing, we're gonna use what we call the by parts, right? Let's put this one this way. E to the 2x dx plus c. We're gonna solve this by parts. So which one gonna be our u? We need, for by parts we need u and dv, right? Or u, I'm gonna call x my u. So my du will be dx. So my dv will be e to the 2x. My v e to the 2x. My dv will be, in order to integrate this one, I need a 2 in front in order to be able to integrate it. So I need the 1/2 in front when I integrate it, right? 2x, 1/2 e to the 2x. So I'm going to multiply this one because the formula for my part is uv minus integral of v du. Right? So I have 1/2 d 2x. Let me put the x here. Minus 1 half e to the 2x dx. Makes sense, right? Next, I'm gonna have to integrate that part. So 1 half x e to the 2x minus 1 half. So to integrate that one, I need a 2 here, as you can see, because my u is 2x, so my du is 2. So if I put 2 there, I have to put 1 half outside. That's why I have 1 half, and then when you integrate e to the u, you have e to the u. E to the u du, when you integrate, you have e to the u. So e to the 2x plus c. Basically what I have in the other part of the equation will be 1/4 e to the 2x plus c. That's what you have. So now we can just put what we have here over there, because like not forgetting the 7 we take out when we were doing the by parts. So x to the 7 plus x to the 7y equals 7 times 1 half x e to the 2x minus 1/4 e to the 2x plus c. So our y would be divided everything by x to the 7, right? So it would be 1 half x to the 7 minus 1/4 x to the 7. Right? One half e to the 2x over e. Right? Minus 1/4 e to the 2x plus. That's what we have for y. And sometimes they ask you for they give you initial conditions, so you can have y without the c. Then so when they give you a value for x, they give you a value for x, and then they give you the value for y, so you can have the value of c. But in this case, we just need to solve for this one, so that's sufficient.